Yes, I'm recording.
Alright, right now, Kevin's car just got broken into. He fucking came back from our hike, and right when we came through, Addy thought that his window was open, but it's unlikely that Kevin would leave his window down. Got closer and we saw that his windows, it was broken into, and fucking, they took his wallet. They thought he took his phone, but he found it in his backpack. And he just tried to cancel his cards, but his credit card, or what was this? His debit card just got hit at a USA Petroleum gas station.
Should be coming
right now we're on our way to go fucking see if we can go find these bastards and do some justice.
Some good justice. Come on, people. That's some bullshit. Keep going. Destination right there.
Right there.
Alright, so it should be the next right.
We're almost here at the USA gas station. Hopefully they're still here. Let's get out and just check it.
Just park behind it. Park behind it here. Alright, come on, guys. Alright, I'm gonna videotape all the cars to see if we can find anything.
Alright, start questioning. Oh! And this isn't it. Do you want to go to the one in up here?
Ano? Tulo na tayo.
Turn off.